Okay guys, good morning. This is a video for you to practice about daily activities and hobbies. These are the topics that we have been discussing for challenge 2. So remember, we have next week we have the communicative tasks and you need to practice. So about daily activities. Remember that in daily activities we are talking about, for example, the things that we do every day in the morning, in the afternoon, and in the evening. So remember, you say, I wake up at 6 a.m. in the morning. I usually get up at 7 a.m. I brush my teeth. I take a shower, and I get dressed. I like to have breakfast with my family. I eat scrambled eggs, pancakes, and coffee. I get ready to start work. I attend some meetings, and I answer some emails. Later, I have lunch alone. I take a nap. In the afternoon, I often have classes and I work with some workmates. In the evening, I finish work and I like to relax for a while. Then I do some exercise, I have dinner, and I watch some TV. I love to read before bed. I go to bed at about 11 p.m. Remember that it's about the vocabulary. Es cómo usan el vocabulario, todo el vocabulario lo hemos trabajado para que lo puedan utilizar bien en las frases. These are expressing daily activities. Then we talk about hobbies, free time, and fun. It's all about the vocabulary. ¿Cierto? Es la misma tipo de frase, solamente utilizamos un vocabulario diferente. For example, I love to watch TV series at home. I also like movies. I enjoy exercise in the morning. I like to listen to rock music. My favorite free time activity is to paint. I really like to dance all kinds of music. I am very good at drawing. I like to visit different places in the city. I love to walk in the country. I enjoy video games. My favorite video game is Pac-Man. I like to swim 3 times a week, and I am a fan of art. I love to paint and to draw. Okay? So, this vocabulary, it's basically activities that you like to do, activities you do for fun. And then you say how you use vocabulary and sentences expressing that you don't like something. Activities you don't like. I don't like to practice a sport. I prefer to go to the gym. I hate to eat out. I dislike to go to malls or shopping centers. I am not a fan of sleeping late on weekends. I don't enjoy TV. I rather go to the movies. I really hate rock music. It drives me crazy. I'm not a fan of sports and I dislike live concerts. Okay? So this is vocabulary. I don't like, I hate, I dislike to express activities I don't like. Okay? And finally, questions for daily activity and hobbies. So you can ask, what time do you usually get up? Where do you go after work? Why do you take the bus to the university? What time do you finish school? Who do you practice sports with? How often do you eat out? What is your favorite free time activity? Where do you go to for relaxing? What do you hate to do? What do you do after lunch? Those are questions that you do for asking daily activities and hobbies and questions. Finally, remember that you have a lot of links for practicing in Campus Virtual. If you have further questions, let me know by email or Teams. And what I have said throughout the course is about practicing and the time you dedicate to study. Remember that in Campus Virtual, here, in Campus Virtual, in this part, en esta partecita acá abajo donde dice notas del profesor, van a encontrar unos nuevos links. Entonces van a encontrar 2 links de vocabulario, uno para practicar daily activities, otro para practicar hobbies. Encuentran online exercise, ejercicios de vocabulario para trabajar sobre daily activities y hobbies, unos ejercicios de listening sobre lo mismo y unos videos de práctica sobre daily activities and hobbies. Okay? So thank you very much. Have a very nice day and see you next week.